What's going on, guys? Today I'm showing you the process of how to fix a seized lawnmower with a couple techniques, including using Marvel Mystery Oil. The lawnmower we're fixing up today is a Briggs Stratton. This lawnmower was seized. I couldn't pull the string past this certain point as I'm demonstrating here. It was just stuck rock solid. So first things first, you want to remove the spark plug wire and remove the spark plug. Simple enough. So to make some room to make it easier to work, we just want to remove this grill on the muffler. Super easy to take off, just a couple screws, and helps for what we need to do with the spark plug hole. So to get access to what we need to work with, you want to remove this top cover. It's just 3 bolts, super easy to take off. Now I couldn't film this at the same time, but I'm showing you what I did here. What you want to do is grab your Marvel Mystery Oil, and with the lawnmower on an angle, grab a funnel, and I put about 2 spoons worth of the oil directly into the spark plug hole. Follow the instructions on the bottle for the exact amount, depending on the engine size, but not much is needed. Now the second part of this fix is to manually turn the engine with your wrench. If in doubt of the direction you should turn it, I go off of the direction the string mechanism works, just as a quick way to eyeball it. So turning the engine will cycle the Marvel Mystery Oil through and will hopefully get any gunk out of there. When I first did this, I did get a few chunks of debris out of the actual engine. You also want to turn it a few good times just to make sure you get as much of the oil out as possible. You can see turning it pushes the liquid out, so try and get as much as you can out by just cycling the engine through. Now when you're manually turning the engine, you can likely feel when it gets harder to turn or when it gets more smoother and easier to turn with the ratchet. So this is just part of the pistons moving. So a quick tip before attempting to start the mower, I turned it to the point where the engine felt smoother and less restricted to help it get going. So I turned it to the point where it was in that smoother rotation. So just to free it up, give it some extra help just when you're first try starting it up again. So after this, you can give her a go. She might cough up some smoke, but after a few chugs, you should be in luck. Thanks for watching.